how to change your Cash App limit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Cash App limit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change your Cash App limit, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Cash App, and you just make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you sign into your account, just tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you've done that, simply go to this little option here that says limits, and then make sure to tap on it. Then once you tap on the limits option, you should be able to see a list of all your current and existing limits. You'll see the sending, receiving, adding, cashing out, selling or purchasing limits. And you can also increase your limits by simply scrolling down, tapping on the increase limit option, and then you'll be able to verify your Cash App account and your limits will get automatically increased. That's all it takes to change the Cash App limit. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.